Welcome to the bike shop, boys and girls. So I've worked in a couple bike shops for a grand total of 5 years, and I've used the name brand stuff, Park Tool, and I can't afford that stuff as an individual working on bikes in his garage. So I got the West Biking Truing Stand, which is, branded this way, although you use the tool that way. But whatever, it works. It does the job. So you undo this and it slides this arm either way. You move these little guys and you can move that stuff in, and you can tune in your true. It has a brake rotor thing that, it's even more up to you on how that works, but forget that. Just true it in the bike itself for the brake rotor. It'll fit, quick release, through axle, all that jazz, because that. The only issue is these don't come in at the same rate like a normal truing stand, but that's fine. If you have a dish tool, you can work all that stuff out. So for $60 shipped, that's what I got. I was never lucky enough to find a Park Tool one and on the marketplace or anywhere for less than $150. This will do the job if you understand the concepts of truing wheels. If you don't, I wouldn't make this your first truing stand, but if you've been trained on wheel building and such, this will do you pretty good, actually. So I've enjoyed it. I've had it about a year now and true. I don't know how many wheels I've trued on it. Lost count. So it does the trick. I'm happy to have it, and I recommend it for experienced mechanics.